Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today is our second lecture and this lecture is the continuation of unit 6. Can we go to the park? Can we go to the park? So in this lecture we are going to cover right activities and review of unit 5 and 6. Review of unit 5 and 6. So open your book on page number 50. Page number 50. We have right activities. Here we have exercise A, B and C. And there are two parts of exercise A. Part 1 is not included in your syllabus, so you have to delete part 1. You have to cross this one. And we have part 2. So look at part 2. Read and match. We have the words and the pictures. First we have to read the words and then look at the pictures and then match the words with the picture. So first one is hill, second is pin, third is mid and fourth is wig. So the first one is hill. Look at the pictures. Which picture is the picture of hill? The fourth picture. So you have to match hill with the picture number 4. Okay, second one, pin. We have the picture number 3. Look at picture number 3. This is the picture of pin. Then we have mid. Look at the picture number 1. So you have to match 3 with picture number 1, mid. Then we have wig. Look at the pictures. Picture number 2 is the picture of wig. So you have to match wig with picture number 2. So this is exercise number 2. Then we have exercise number B. Look and write. So we have the words, we have the phrases climb a tree, fly a kite, fish and ride a bike. Then we have the pictures. So we have to look the pictures and write the correct word in the blank. Look at the first picture. In the first picture the girl is flying a kite. The girl is flying a kite. So you have to write fly a kite in the first blank. Then look at the second picture. In the second picture we have the picture of fish. We have the picture of fish. Two men are fishing. They are fishing. So you have to write fish in the second blank. Then we have third picture, ride a bike. Ride a bike. So here you have to write in this blank, ride a bike. Then you have fourth picture, picture number 4. Here it climb a tree. So you have to write climb a tree in the fourth blank. So these are the exercises of right activities of unit 6. Now come to page number 51. In 51 we have exercise D, E, F and G. So exercise D, ask and answer. Here you have to look the pictures and you have to ask a question and then you have to give a answer. Can you sail a boat? Yes, I can. No, I can't. If you are able to sail a boat, then you can answer like yes, I can. If you can't, then you can answer no, I can't. Like look at the first picture. It is the picture of kite. It means that can you fly a kite? If you are able, then you can say yes, I can. If you are not able, then you can say no, I can't. Like this we have picture 2 with the picture of bike. It means that can you ride a bike? Yes, I can or no, I can't. Then look at the third picture. It's the picture of boy who is playing a violin. So can you play a violin? So if you are able to play a violin, then you can say yes, I can. If you are not able, then you can say no, I can't. So this is exercise D. Then we have exercise E. Look, circle and write. Picture number 1 and picture number 2. In picture number 1, the girl is swimming. We have two options, can and can't. Look at the picture. In the picture, the girl is able to swim. So you can circle can, and you can write she can swim. She can swim. Then in the second picture, the man is able to paint a picture. So you have to circle can, and then you have to write he can paint. Okay, then we have F, read and match. We have the pictures and the sentences. Can it climb a tree? Yes, it can. Okay, look at the picture. The first picture, in the first picture, it climbed a tree. The squirrel climbed a tree. It means that can it climb a tree? Yes, it can. Yes, it can. So you have to match first sentence with the first image. Then you have the second one. Can it swim? No, it can't. Look at the picture. Oh, in picture number 3, we have the cat. It is unable to swim. So no, it can't. So you have to match 2 with picture number 3. Then we have sentence number 3. Can she ride a bike? Yes, she can. So you have to match this with picture number 2, where the girl is able to ride a bike. So we have exercise G. Let's sing. I can swim. Yes, I can. I can climb. Yes, I can. I can do lots of things if I try. Let's go fly a kite. Let's go, you and I. So this is our song. Okay, now come to page number 52. We have review of unit number 5. Look and write. Okay, look at the picture, the first picture. What's this? What's this? This is an eraser. Okay, this is already done for you, so you have to trace this one. Then in the second one, what's this? This is a pen. This is a pen, so you have to write pen here. This is a pen. Okay, look at this third picture. In the third picture, we have no question and we have no answer. So first you have to make a question, then you have to write the answer. Okay, what's this? What's this? Okay, this is a map, or this is a map. This is a map. Look at the picture. It's the picture of map. So you have to write this is a picture. Okay, look at the fourth one. It is the picture of globe. So first you have to make a question. What's this? The question is, what's this? This is a globe. This is a globe. Okay, then we have B. Look and number the sentences. First one, second, third and fourth. We have fourth picture, and then we have fourth sentence. Okay, look at the first sentence. This is your chair. This is your chair. Look at the pictures. In which picture? The boy said to the girl that this is your chair. In the picture number 3, so you have to write 3 in the first sentence. Then we have the second. This is my book. This is my book. Look at picture number 1, where the boy said that this is my book. So you have to write 1 in this sentence. Then we have this third one. This is my pen. Look at picture number 2, where the boy said this is my pen. So you have to write 2 in the third sentence. Then we have fourth one. This is your ruler. This is your ruler. Look at picture number 4, where the boy said to the girl that this is your ruler. So you have to write 4 here. Okay, then we have exercise C. Look and match. Is this a pen? Is this an eraser? Is this a chair? Is this a desk? Look at the picture number 1. Is this a pen? Is this a pen? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. So you have to match with the second sentence. No, it isn't. Look at the second picture. Is this an eraser? Oh, yeah. This is an eraser. So you have to match this with yes, it is. Okay, then we have third picture. Is this a chair? Oh, no. It isn't. No, it isn't. So you have to match third with the second sentence. No, it isn't. Then we have the fourth one, fourth picture. Is this a desk? Yes, it is. It is a desk. Yes, it is. So you have to match this with yes, it is. So this is all in page number 52. Now come to page number 53. We have exercise D, E and F. D, E and F. Does it begin with G or K? Circle and write. We have the exercise of G and K sound. Look at the first picture. The first picture is the picture of girl. So you have to circle G and you have to write G in the dash, in the blank. Then look at the second picture. It's the picture of kitchen. It's the picture of kitchen. So you have to circle K and you have to write K in the blank. Then you have the third picture. It's the picture of key. The picture of key. K sound. K sound. So you have to circle K and you have to write K in the blank. Then we have the fourth picture, garden. It's the picture of garden. So you have to write G in the blank. Then we have exercise E, which is not included in your syllabus. So you have to cross exercise E. And now come to exercise F. Read and circle. Read and circle. The girl is in the garden. The girl is in the garden. We have the option. The girl or key is in the kitchen or garden. So look at the picture. In the picture, the girl is in the garden. So you have to circle the whole sentence. The girl is in the garden. Okay, look at this second one, second picture. It's the picture of the kite. So we have the option key, kite is girl or green. So the kite is green. The kite is green. So you have to circle the kite is green. Okay, this is all in page 53. Now come to review 6, page number 54. Exercise A, B and C. Read and choose. We have 4 pictures. Picture number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look at the picture number 1 where the girl fly a kite. So she can fly a kite. We have two options, fly a kite and ride a bike. So here the girl is flying a kite. So you have to circle A, fly a kite. Okay, look at the second picture. He can't climb a tree or paint a picture. So here the man is unable to paint a picture. So you have to circle B. Okay, look at picture number 3. It can climb a tree or it can ride a bike. In picture number 3, we look that it can climb a tree. So you have to circle B. Then we have picture number 4 where she can sail a boat or swim. Look at the picture. In the picture she can swim. So you have to circle B. So this is exercise A. Now come to exercise B. Look and match. Can you fly a kite? Can you play the violin? Can you ride a bike? So we have 3 pictures with 3 sentences. Then you have to match this with yes I can or no I can't. Okay, look at the first picture. In the first picture, the boy is unable to fly a kite. He is unable to fly a kite. So you have to match this with no, I can't. No, I can't. Then we have the second picture. In the second picture, the boy is playing a violin. He is able to play. So you have to match this with yes, I can. Yes, I can. Then we have the third picture where can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike? No, he can't or no, I can't. So you have to match this with no, I can't. Okay, now come to exercise C. Look and write. We have a picture where 1, 2 and 3. Look at the first one. In the first one she can ride a bike. So you have to write she can ride a bike in the first stage. Then we have in the second picture it can climb a tree. It can climb a tree. Now the third picture, she can fly a kite. She can fly a kite. So you have to write she can fly a kite in the third dash. So this is all in page number 54. Then we have page number 55. We have exercise D, E and F. So exercise D is not included in your syllabus, so you have to cross exercise D. And we have exercise E and F. Sit. In E we have to look and match with the words with the images. So sit, pin, wig, dig and hill. Look at the first word, sit. Look at the pictures. In which picture the boy is sitting? Picture number 2. So you have to match sit with picture number 2. Then we have pin. Look at the pictures. Which picture is the picture of pin? 4th. So you have to match pin with the picture number 4. Then you have wig. You have to match wig with the picture number 1. Then you have dig. Look at picture number 3 where the boy is digging. So you have to match dig with picture number 3. Then we have hill. You have to match this with the hill. Picture number 5 with the hill. It is the picture of the hill. So you have to match hill with the picture number 5. Exercise F. Circle the short I words. Okay, we have to circle the short I word. Look at the first table. Pit, chip and top. Here pit and chip are the words which have short I sound. So you have to circle pit and chip in the first one. Then look at the second table. Bit, sun and fix. Here bit and fix have the short I sound. So you have to circle bit and fix. Then we have cup, pick and fit in the third bracket, in the third table. So you have to circle pick and fit which have the short I words. Then fourth one, box, mix and tip. We have mix and tip. You have to circle mix and tip. Then fifth one, kick, desk and rip. So here kick and rip have the short I word sounds. So you have to circle kick and rip. Then we have sip, cap and pin. In sixth we have sip and pin. You have to circle sip and pin. So this is all in the review of unit number 6. Okay, now you have your classwork and your homework. Your classwork is you have to done all the activities and review in your class book, and your homework is you have to do page 33, 34, 35 and exercise number A, B, C, D and E in your workbook. So you have to done all these activities. So it is all in this unit, in this lecture. If you have any question or if you didn't understand the lesson, you may call on the official number and contact with your teacher. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.